What are daily energy clearing and balancing maintenance routines we can do?
One daily energetic clearing you can do literally is first just set the intention of vibrating in the vibration of gratitude or appreciation, the highest vibration there is. So you're already setting the intention, and our world, pardon me, works through intention. So you're already setting that intention of being in a state of gratitude, not only being in a state of gratitude, but living in a state of gratitude, emanating a state of gratitude. And that's the energy that you're putting out there. So you're putting out good, clean, healthy energy, focusing on your thoughts, trying to keep your thoughts as positive as well-being, as accepting and allowing, or versus judgment, criticism, etc. And that, and then knowing anytime you get upset, a simple little tip of just putting your fingers together, the heel of your hands separate from one another. Just put your fingertips together. Maybe put your thumbs to your heart, take a deep breath, and then exhale, allowing yourself to just come back to center. And that. And then stimulating the energy chakra centers. Again, just check out the chakra dance. It's a ton of fun, and you get it moving. Another one is getting your mind in sync, and that you can simply sync the higher brain to the lower brain. So think of putting your left hand, because this is where you receive energy, on your forehead, your higher thinking. Your right hand, this is where we give energy out, on the lower part of your head, because that's where our fight and flight. And just very gently put them here. Just take a deep breath and allowing this to balance. It's like, oh, okay, got it, and everything synced. Another one is, we talked about just tapping the thymus gland, helping that, and setting the intentions of coming from love, coming from gratitude. Those are just a few techniques, and there's many more.
To contact Tracy Smith, I'll go ahead and include her contact information down below. If you want to follow her on Instagram, this is her Instagram handle here. And also, if you want to find her on Facebook, you can search this here. Thank you for joining us.